Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to stop or pause a recording on YouTube TV. Now it's very easy. So it's a similar process whether you're doing this on TV or computer or like me, right? Or on the mobile app. So you just want to make sure that you are actually on the library tab over here and then go ahead and find the show that you want to go ahead and stop or pause recording for. Okay, so for me, it's going to be Seinfeld right here. So what you need to do is click on these three dots if you are on the computer. Okay, click on this, and then you can go ahead and toggle this off where it says added to library. Go ahead and click on this. So we'll toggle this one off, and as you can see, it has stopped recording new episodes, and these recordings will actually still be watchable until they expire. It takes about 9 months. That's pretty much it. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.